Vercel and Render are two modern platforms built to make deploying web applications simple, fast, and reliable. Both aim to remove the heavy lifting of managing servers so developers can focus on building. Vercel is known for its clean workflow and instant deployments, while Render takes pride in balancing automation with flexibility. Whether you are building a small personal project or scaling a full production app, both services promise smooth performance and a developer-friendly experience. But when it comes down to daily use, their strengths show in different ways. Vercel shines in speed and simplicity. Its deployment process feels effortless, especially for front-end frameworks like Next.js or React. You push your code, and within seconds, it is live with optimized performance. Render, on the other hand, feels more traditional but more versatile. It supports a wider range of applications, including backend services, databases, and background jobs. Vercel focuses on front-end excellence, while Render covers more of the full stack. When you dive deeper, Vercel's biggest advantage is its edge network. It automatically distributes your app across global data centers, making sites load quickly anywhere in the world. Its integrations are seamless, especially for teams already using Git and modern frameworks. Render's deeper control appeals to developers who want more customization. You can host static sites, APIs, and databases all under one roof, with clear visibility into pricing and infrastructure. Render feels like a full-service environment, while Vercel feels like a high-speed deployment engine. In the end, your choice depends on what you build. If you value speed, simplicity, and instant front-end deployments, Vercel is the easier and faster route. But if your project includes complex server logic, databases, or custom configurations, Render offers more flexibility and control. Both platforms deliver excellent reliability and performance, but they cater to slightly different developer needs. For many, Vercel is the ideal fit for modern web apps, while Render is better for full-stack control and scalability.